Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the applications, you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on this page you should see your Xiaomi Watch S3. Now scroll down, find the unpair button, and once you find it, tap on it and tap on continue. The watch will disappear from the device page in the app, and also it will reset itself to the factory default settings. So that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.